Good morning. We're headed off on 3 days of mountaintop work. We'll be back on the 4th of July. I won't be in the Tesla, but we'll be on a lot of mountaintops here in southern Wyoming. You'll see things you've never seen before in Wyoming, so stay tuned to the channel over the next few days. We're off the highway here in Rawlins, Wyoming, of course, and over there you can kind of see the supercharger in the back. And of course, we can't pass up a Scottish lunch. This is our first stop, Chokecherry Knob. It's located off the road here quite a bit. As we proceed up the mountain road here, we run in all kinds of water and ditches and things. Yeah, that's Chokecherry Knob up ahead. We're on this little 2-lane road. It's not much of a road. I think it's a goat path or something. Our job is done here at Chokecherry. We're on the way to the next stop in Rock Springs, Wyoming. And we're on the road again, heading to Rock Springs. I know you guys wouldn't be happy unless I was in some form of traffic with construction. Well, here it is. Yep, there you go, almost 85 bucks. We're almost to the Rock Springs site and we passed this phosphate processing center. Apparently it processes phosphate from Utah. I guess you can't do what they do here in Utah, so they do it here in Wyoming. Our mountaintop is located right there on the right, that ridge, and that's where we're headed. Here is a phosphate settling pond, part of the process what they work on here. This is an interesting dirt road and how to get to the mountaintop. We go all the way this way, the mountain is over there, and we go this way and then we get up on top of that ridge there and we drive all the way up that ridge, all the way over to the radio site. On this super highway of rock and gravel. We'll get on the ridge and go that way, and way over there is our site. Well, it's not a good tire day. This one has got a hole in it. Gave us an alarm. Now we got to jack it up and change it. Oh well, part of the drill. We're done here at Rock Springs. We're heading to the next place. We're heading off the mountain now and heading to the tire shop. We're going to get our flat tire repaired and then on down the road. It's a view of the phosphate settling ponds going this way. We looked on Google and found Les Schwab. Nice place. The place is pretty empty. Nobody waiting, it doesn't appear. A couple people, everybody's wearing uniforms. It's a real nice place. Hope to get our tire fixed here today. Knocking all the dirt out of your tire so they can balance it. Well, here you are. What a great deal. Les Schwab tires. These guys are top notch. They took the car. We decided to replace all four since we were here. Put brand new tires on, almost the exact same ones we had. Balanced. They took it off and did it in, I would say, 50 minutes, 50 minutes. How about that? Anyway, we're on the way down to Evanston now. off the interstate here now in Evanston. We're gonna go find something to eat. We're hungry. Yeah, if you ever get off here in Evanston going west, this little place right here called the Prairie Inn is a nostalgic motel, but they've completely redone it. And it is a really, really nice place to stay. That's my recommendation. And then Jody's right there for breakfast. Well, we found this for dinner. We've eaten here several times. It's right on Main Street. Olé. Today was a good day. We got 2 sites done, got a flat tire, got all new tires, and arrived here in Evanston, Wyoming for the night. We're heading out tomorrow. I think we've got 3 sites on the radar to get done. So all is good. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you tomorrow and take care.